In northern Italy, history is repeating itself. This hospital was among Europe's first to be hit by COVID a year ago. It's now run out of beds for virus patients and it's back on high alert. Doctors here blaming the highly contagious British variant.
It's transmitted much more easily, so we often face entire families arriving. The other main change is that their age is lower. We have many patients between 45 and 55 years of age.
A year ago today, Italy was the first Western country to lock down. In the north, the army was deployed to move coffins because the morgues were overwhelmed. And it was Italy which showed us what the scale of this pandemic might be. By last summer, cases were reduced to a trickle, but doctors say insufficient testing and tracing, political paralysis in Rome, as well as Europe's handling of the vaccine rollout, helped send Italy backwards. In Milan, all schools have just shut, even as they've reopened in the UK. The death toll passed 100,000 this week, the highest in the EU. And while the infection rate is still rising, the vaccination rate is below average for Europe. If vaccines don't arrive, we will never be well, says this man. We talk and talk, but the vaccines don't arrive. Over 5 million Italians have been vaccinated, compared with over 22 million in the UK. And now they're playing catch-up. Last week, this was the first EU country to block a vaccine shipment, originally headed for Australia. And now it's agreed to manufacture 10 million doses of the Russian vaccine Sputnik before the EU regulator has even approved it. An army general's been put in charge of the emergency response by a new Prime Minister determined to get tough.
We are all facing a new worsening of the health emergency. The pandemic has not yet been defeated, but with the acceleration of the vaccine plan, we can see a way out that's not far off.
Nevertheless, Naples has gone into the highest tier of lockdown this week, and much of the country could join it in a few days' time. For one of Italy's foremost disease experts, that can't come soon enough. If you go into the highest tier of lockdown later this week, are you going to be able to come out of it in time for your tourism industry to resume this summer?
This is really wishful thinking. Possibly. It depends very much how we're able to scale up the vaccination program. I mean, if we want to do that, probably we would have to vaccinate 30 million Italians by the end of June. It is a daunting task.
In the meantime, a train at Rome's Termini station is being prepared to carry intensive care patients in the expectation that the situation may worsen before it improves.